Now that you're happy with the workers in the bottling company, I would like to make you the managing director. And for the poultry farm, you can call for employment. You may hire a driver if you so wish.
Wow, Dad. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Yeah, I should be thanking you. You see, I promised myself that I was going to make you the richest young man in town before you turn 30 years. And I'm happy you are living up to it.
Dad, I'm grateful. I mean, you're doing it already. Thank you so much.
It's well.
Thank you. Thank you.
I'm proud of you.
And I'm also indebted in the work you've...
Sometimes I just wonder if I'm still part of this family.
Now, what is the meaning of that?
Don't worry, Dad. I'll be right back for me. Okay. And what was the meaning of that?
Why does your father constantly remind me that my father left nothing tangible for me?
And what do you mean by that?
Why can't he make me a manager in one of his companies? Why?
Oh, that? I see someone is trying to be productive. Very good. Okay, fine. I will talk to my father, alright? He is going to make you the manager of the poultry farm. How about that?
Excuse you? Can you hear yourself speak? A university graduate like me, a manager in a poultry farm?
Hey, come on, honey. You don't need to work yourself for nothing. Alright? Okay, fine. I can talk to my father. He could make you a manager in any of the companies. How about that?
You will have to talk to your father before he can give your wife a suitable job.
Oh, come on. What is wrong with you, Lizzie? I mean, what do you need a job for? I pay you salary. I give you everything you need in this house. You don't need a job if you ask me.
You know what? I am done talking about this. I thought you were a man.
Come on, why are you working yourself up for nothing? You don't need a job. Okay, fine, I'll talk to my father. She's not even talking to me.
My son, a woman is like a cocoyam. No one knows where the head will take when it sleeps.
That is deep.
Yes, it is. You have to watch your wife. To watch her closely. Don't let her take your dignity away. Always take your stance. But love her unconditionally.
Oh, Dad. Thank you so much for the piece of advice. I'm grateful. I'm inspired.
Let's drink to it.
Oh, of course. Okay. So to loving my wife unconditionally and...
Yes, and working hard at the office.
Exactly. And for long life and prosperity to this family. We keep moving from strength to strength.
That is it.
Here we go, Dad.
Just sip.
Here we go, Dad. All right.
Yeah.
And to the latest manager in town. A glass of wine. Okay.
Yes.
Yes. Right.
Wow. Very good.
Go and call Dad.
He's already awake.
I said you should call him.
He's coming down from the staircase.
Is breakfast ready?
Yes, Dad. Good morning.
What is this? Pap?
Obviously, sir.
You should have asked me what I wanted. I don't like pap.
So? You mean the stress of waking up early to assist Anne in the kitchen is useless?
No, I didn't say that. I said I don't like pap. Definitely, I don't want it for breakfast.
You just know how to ruin someone's day.
Anna.
Sir?
You know I don't like pap. Why did you prepare it for me?
She insisted I prepare it, sir. I told her you do not like pap. She said I should prepare it anyway.
I'll go to the kitchen and fry me some plantain.
Yes, sir. Sorry, sir.
You want to know how much you know. You can never tell me.
Honey, I told you I cannot continue with this anymore.
What happened?
Is he not your father? That man can never be appreciative for once. He finds reason to complain in everything, just everything I do.
I just asked, what happened? What is it with my father?
He just rejected my breakfast, simply because it's pap.
Then honey, you should give him what he wants. It's not as if we don't have enough food in this house.
And you expect me to go back to the kitchen? Hell no. I'm not going back to the kitchen.
And that is why we have Anna. I mean, that's why we pay her. Allow her to do her job.
Listen, sweetheart. We are all going to eat the same breakfast. If he doesn't want to eat with us, he should go hungry. Yes.
Oh, come on, Lisa. This is my father we're talking about.
I don't care if he's your God. He should learn to eat whatever I serve him for breakfast. This is my house, my husband's house, my rules. What are you doing in my kitchen?
I'm frying plantain now. Oga said he wants to eat plantain.
Who is Oga? My friend, drop that in and get out.
He said he's very hungry now.
Drop it and get out! Do you want me to push you? Get out! Leave something and go. Leave.
Morning, Dad.
Oh, morning.
How was your night?
Oh, it was fine. You're ready for work?
Oh, yes, I am.
You drive safely, eh?
Fine. See you in the evening.
All right. Right.
Take care of yourself.
Thank you.
Bye.
Where is the plantain?
Auntie Elizabeth drove me out of the kitchen.
Elizabeth drove you out of the kitchen? Why?
Because I decide what we all eat in this house.
Elizabeth, do I have to remind you that I built this house? And I employed Anna to be my cook.
And it's my kitchen. I decide what goes on in there.
Anna,
Sir?
go back to the kitchen and finish up with the plantain.
Okay, sir. Sir,
Yes.
the kitchen is locked.
Elizabeth, why did you lock the kitchen?
It is my kitchen.
Something's wrong. What's going on? Something's wrong. What's going on?
Oh, Dad.
Yeah.
Good evening.
Good evening, welcome.
How are you?
Yeah. Welcome.
Alright, Dad.
When you go upstairs, ask your wife why she locked the kitchen since morning.
Oh, Dad. Dad, how many times do I need to tell you that my wife is not your cook? She's not your maid. If you need anything to eat, tell Anna that's why she's there. That's why she's paid.
Son, do you know that sometimes when I look at you, I see myself as a man who brought a honeycomb to stay with you.
If you would excuse me, I had a terrible day.
Something's wrong. What's going on?
Come on. Why don't you want to take something?
Jerry, as you can see, I'm upset. I called you last week to talk to your friend. That old man treats me as if I'm a little girl that needs guidance in everything. He even wants me to beg him for a job.
Oh, Lizzie, please calm down, okay? Don't be upset. I spoke with Collins and he promised to see me physically. When he comes, I will sure discuss all this with him and all these things will stop.
Thank you.
More like it. So now what do I offer you to drink?
Anything chilled would be nice.
Anything, chill. That means you need scotch or the rock.
Whatever.
Barman!
I think I know why you invited me.
And why haven't you done anything about it?
Jerry, I'm still... It's a gradual process, alright? And I'm still doing something.
Collins, listen. If you want a happy home, then keep your father away from it.
How?
Send him to the village. Or you buy a house for him on the outskirts of the city. That's simple.
Jerry, you're funny.
Collins, I'm sure you know my father is in the village. That is where he should be. Closer to his ancestors.
Because you built your house with your money. I didn't build where I live with my money. It won't be easy sending him out of his own house. Don't you think?
Collins, can I ask you a simple question?
Go on.
Do you love your wife?
Are you the one asking this question? Of course you know I love my wife.
But your actions are proving otherwise. Collins, give her a happy home. I mean, make that home comfortable for her.
Jerry, the truth is, I've allowed my wife treat my dad with so much scorn and hatred. But he still doesn't feel irritated to leave.
Then let your wife do more. One day he will be irritated and he will be forced to go to the village. Tell her to do more.
Jerry, you don't understand. My father is a very quiet man. He can't be easily upset, no matter how much you try.
You see, Collins, I'll call your wife and I'll give her tips on how to deal with him. I swear down, this time he will feel it to his bones. Mark my words.
Do you think it's good?
You see, with that, he'll be totally handicapped.
You see why I always come to you? You are too smart. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
I'll still come back and thank you.
Thank me. I'll be waiting.
Okay. How many times do you open the gate?
Other man, no they count.
And you, Abana? When last did you clean this house?
Yesterday, ma. Today, ma.
How many times?
Every day, ma. Every day.
Mr. Driver?
John. My name is John.
Oh, shut up. Who cares what your stupid name is? You're just an ordinary driver. Common driver.
I'm sorry, ma.
Sorry for your stupid self. How many times do you drive my father-in-law?
He doesn't normally go out unless he's going to golf club.
So you do literally nothing in this house.
Ma?
You are paid to do nothing in this house. Anyway, I am going to pay you people for this month so that you go elsewhere and get yourselves jobs.
Ma?
Madam.
I am still talking. Okay. You can go. Hey, you. I didn't ask you to go. I'm going to give you 1 month grace. If you continue your madness of siding with my father-in-law.
Thank you, ma.
Henceforth, your duties in this house includes cleaning.
Yes, ma.
You can go.
Thank you, ma.
You can go.
Everything we do in this world, everything has its reward. Oh, Maya Mama Sana. Oh, enjoy a little waloya. Ewo makwara nabia, makwara gabia, makwara nabia.
Where is John? John! I told this boy that I'm going to the cathedral this morning for
John
prisoners.
is not around, sir.
Where did he go to?
Auntie Elizabeth sacked him yesterday.
Elizabeth
Your
sacked
keys,
him? How can Elizabeth sack my driver without my consent? Okay. Tell Eke to open the gate for me.
Eket is also not around, sir.
She sacked him too?
Yes, sir.
What is wrong with this lady? How can she be sacking my workers without my consent? What an insult. I won't give the devil a chance this morning. Just open the gate.
Comes back to you,
So, where is your wife?
She's upstairs.
Go and tell her I want to see her.
But she's asleep. I can't go to wake her. Is that a problem?
Your wife sacked my driver, my gateman and my cleaner without even informing me.
Maybe because she doesn't need your services anymore.
Did you hear yourself? Maybe your wife doesn't need the services of my driver and my gateman too. How can she sack people she didn't employ in the first place? Is that not height of insult?
Daddy, she must have a reason for doing that.
So you are aware of it from beginning, eh?
No, God, please, I'm tired. I really need to go to bed. But I'll ask her tomorrow. I'll know why she did such thing. Good night. Oh, damn. Good night.
Allah.
Sir, I wanted to have a word with you, sir.
Okay.
I just wanted to remind you of my undying loyalty to you, sir. I honestly hate to see you sad. And if there's anything I can do to help, I will not hesitate to help, sir.
Thank you very much, Anna. Thank you very much.
Yes, sir.
That's well. Can you go and get me a cup of water?
Of course, sir.
Good.
I really mean it, sir. I could never forget how you took me off the streets, assisted me, and changed my life. I owe you everything, sir. And Anna is at your beck and call.
Thank you very much, Anna. That is reassuring. Thank you once again.
I'll get the water, sir.
Please do. Thank you.
Something's wrong. What's going on? Something's wrong. What's going on?
Good morning, Dad.
Oh, good morning, son.
How's your night?
Man, you ready for work?
Oh, yes, I'm ready.
Oh. Did you ask your wife what I told you last night to ask her?
Don't tell me you woke up still having that grudge in your heart.
Is that an answer to my question?
That honestly, I am beginning to have it up here. My wife is not your maid. She's not your cook. Excuse me. I was complaining.
Send for me now.
Yes. Get me a glass of juice.
Yes, ma'am.
Come. Make sure you wash your hands with soap and water before bringing the juice. Aww.
Come, Elizabeth, come and help me with this.
Old man, my name is Lizzie, not Elizabeth. By the way, help you with what? I'm not a doctor and I don't look like one. Or you just want to report me to your son again?
You don't have to be a doctor to use this.
I don't want to use it.
Anna, come and help me with this.
Anna, get me fresh tomatoes and onions. Rush to the market.
But madam, how come you want me to help him and do?
The money is on my bed. Rush to the market immediately.
Anna,
Sir?
go and help her buy tomatoes.
Okay, sir.
Get going! Fresh tomatoes! Fresh! Don't buy rubbish for me.
Everything we do in this world, everything has its reward. Oh, Maya Namasana. Oh, enjoy a little while, yeah.
Mama, Mama, you're welcome. I've been waiting for you. Where have you been? Elisa, Mom. Mama, can't get away, Elisa. Elisa, I beg you, Elisa. Lizzie, Mama, Lizzie, level a change.
Lizzie! What do you mean? You don't look happy. What happened?
How can I be happy? Mama, you need to follow me to my house. You need to follow me to that house to show them that you're an action woman. To pay you for Bella's. Let's see. Let them know that I have somebody.
You still haven't told me what happened.
Mama, I just want to be in charge of that house. I want to be in charge of the companies, the kitchen, everything, Mama. I want to be in charge of everything.
Don't worry. I will come and display a little drama for them. Trust me. I will tell them that you are the daughter of a lioness.
Biano.
Oh,
hey. Come and show them.
Okay.
Hey!
Nemo! Ozwanato.
Action woman! I know what you can do.
Don't worry yourself. Oh? Let me go and get you something to eat.
Hey, Mama. Don't bother yourself. I need to rush back to town. My husband will come and pick you.
But before then, can't you later? Can't not off, man. You want to
The lady is making the house unbearable for me. Not just me. Every other person, in fact. She insults Chief to his face. Anytime she likes.
And what does the son do about it?
That one. He has never put her in place. He does not call her to order. He just sits. Without saying a word.
Hey!
You see? In that case, you have to apply wisdom. Don't get involved in anything that concerns them. They are one family. Okay? Yes. He's very friendly. Who am I seeing?
She went to church.
Hey!
Sister, welcome.
How are you?
I'm fine, sister. How are you? How's work?
Work is fine. Oh, I hear you made straight A's in your egg.
Sister, I made 7 A's and 2 B's.
Perfect. I'm so proud of you.
Thank you.
Good.
Sister, it's just that I want to buy my jam phone.
I knew you would not miss that. But do not worry. I'm so proud of you. Once I get my salary at the end of the month, I'll give you money for your jam.
Mama, did you hear her?
I heard her, my daughter. Go and get me water to drink before I go.
Okay. I'm so happy to see you. Welcome.
No problem.
Okay, my in-law, we are here. Let's go. Okay.
This is Odinkenke Mile. If what is speed?
You're welcome. Hey! Let's go inside.
Okay, Lydia. I knew it. I knew my daughter was coming to the right place. This is paradise. 1, 2. Hey! 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm coming. Let me feed my eyes. 9. Hey! 9! What do you? Obalaba. Hey! Nekwano manya. Na. Hey! Yeah. Only one Catholic church. No father. And yeah. Nekwano manya. Maganga. No. You are the best thing that happened to my generation. God bless the day the day my daughter found you for us. Hey!
Mama, come, let's go. Come, let's go.
You are so used to it.
You're welcome. There we go. Easy.
Oh, my glass. my reflection.
Let's go. Here we go.
Father, I thank you.
Let's go. You're welcome. This is your house. Feel free, alright? Let's go. Alright. Oh, sweet home. I'm coming. You're welcome.
At last I made heaven.
Something like that.
No.
Mama, please come.
Honey.
Baby, you welcome. Mama. Mama, you've not seen anything yet. Wait till we go upstairs.
This is heaven.
Okay, ladies, I have to go. Honey, take mom to her room. Huh?
All right.
Okay.
My good in-law.
All right, my love, I'm coming. What? You're not looking bad. A good team now, but I know.
You look good as well. You've changed so much. Because you can
I would have even looked prettier and fatter. If not for one blood-sucking demon in this house. See? The person is bent on what's the mama name of week? Giving me headache day and night.
And who could that be? A maid or your husband's relative?
Marital. You just came. You have to freshen up. Eat well prepared, delicious food. Now we're mates here. After that we can talk.
That one is by the way.
Let me take it to your room. Plenty things to talk about. Let's go inside. Don't worry. Let me take you upstairs.
Even on earth.
You will like about Mama, let's go. I'm going to get it. See around the neck? 24 karat gold. I don't know about you.
I didn't know you were here. They didn't tell me you were coming.
Must you be told I was coming? Do I need to take permission from you before I visit my son-in-law?
No, my in-law, it's not like that. I mean, this is also your house. But what I mean is that if I knew you were coming, if they told me, I would have arranged maybe catfish for you.
I can't remember telling you anything about catfish. Did I tell you I've never eaten catfish before?
My in-law, are we fighting?
Did I throw a punch at you?
I was coming to sit down, but I can see it's not conducive for me.
Hey! Mama, you are the bomb. Hey! Look at the way you are giving it to him. Giving it to him. You know what, Mama? You should be visiting every week.
Trust me. I will make this house uncomfortable for him.
Nyeme.
An Abogan Express.
Bam. My action lady. My only mama. Okay, let's continue. 20. I'm going to get it though. Mama, there is money in this house.
If these women in the village, I need to show them.
Okay, that you have arrived. You see the money, you're going to eat it for them. I made you a will eat it for them.
Everything you do.
I need to talk to you.
Is that some kind of greeting or what?
Do you eat greeting? Why do you always behave as if you're uncivilized?
The cricket is a very good singer, but he sings the bottom of the Naija.
Do you think I'm here to listen to your flimsy adage? Listen, I want a better and permanent room for my mother in this house.
That's good. What happened to the guest room?
She doesn't like it. I want to give her the room beside your own.
Really?
Really.
But you know that is impossible. That room belonged to my late wife.
So the room should be left empty because it belonged to your late wife?
Hey! So I should be begging for a room in my own daughter's house.
Ask him.
Is that not sheer wickedness?
Woman, need I remind you that this house belongs to me?
Which house is yours? You're a wicked and greedy man.
What did you say?
You heard me. Shame on you. Your mates are in their villages and you're here discomforting this young couple.
Can you imagine? If you want to do this here, your papa is around. If you want to go this side, he's around. You will not allow us young couple to experiment, do some things in this house. Go to the village, your mates have retired.
I don't have anything to say to you. I have nothing to say to you.
Wicked man. See, I'm even suspecting you are hiding some of your cutting materials in that room. I know you. No, John, what nonsense.
Since it has come to that, I can see you are looking for a worthy husband for your mother.
Do you think you can marry my mother?
Back to sender!
You cannot marry my mother. Can you imagine? Old man. Actually, me if I will be dodging him. We will not express our love in this house. Go and die or go to the village. Mama.
He hasn't seen anything.
Mama, if we continue like this, in no distant time, he will pack his belongings and run away from this house.
Look at his face.
Don't worry, that his white hair will soon turn to brown. Wham.
Collins, your wife brought her mother here this morning to insult me. Did she tell you?
Insult you?
She called me a wicked man, an occultic man.
Are you not an occultic man? Or what on earth would make you lock your wife's room for years?
Did you hear that?
Dad, she just asked a question.
Collins, what has gotten your brain off its capacity to think? Where is your sense of manhood?
You're insulting me before my in-laws. Do you know that?
No, you are the one insulting yourself in front of your in-laws by failing to be a man.
My son, please, forgive him.
If I may ask, Father, that room has been locked for many years, and I haven't even gone in there. And it makes me wonder, is there anything going on there that I don't know of?
Ask him.
Ask him.
You see, if by tomorrow you don't hand me the key to that room, I will personally break it and replace it with a new one. And that's fine.
Wow, love you, baby.
And your mother's ghost will haunt you for the rest of your life.
There's nothing like ghosts. Mama, let's go. And there's nothing like ghosts. Wicked man. Go and retire.
Collins, did you actually break that door?
But Dad, I told you I was going to do it. Didn't I?
And you moved my wife's things to the generator room?
Dad, if there's anyone who is meant to fight for those things, it should be me. Because she was my mother.
Now I know I have to ride in a different direction.
its reward.
Yes, What is in that bag?
Snacks for Chief.
So all you do is make it look as if I'm wicked. You go about telling people that I don't cook in this house, right?
Ma, where is this coming from? Were you not the one who instructed that I must not enter your kitchen?
Mama, she's talking back at me. Anna, so you can now talk back at me.
I'm sorry, Ma.
You're not taking this rubbish into my house. Yeah, ma.
What is happening here?
Sir, Madam insists I must not take the snacks inside for you.
Bring down the heaven if you can. Mama, let's go inside. Leave my way, old man.
I called you here so that you talk to your daughter.
You want me to talk to my daughter?
Yes.
Have you talked to yourself? Or do you need me to remind you that you are the one that needs to be talked to?
I've watched you since you arrived in this house. I noticed that you came fully prepared for that.
Thank God you know that. Thank God you know that. Listen, I came here to rest. I don't have your time.
I'll miss you. I'll miss you. Hey, Mama.
I'm going. If you like, kill my daughter with your wickedness. Oh! But I promise you, you will not like what you'll get.
Mama, don't mind him. Let me see you to the door.
That's just a thing, some steps that I follow.
I don't understand.
I said I want the books in the boys' quarters cleared.
Why?
I want to make use of it. I want to use that room as my storeroom.
But why the boys' quarters when we have 2 room stores in this main building? Why the boys' quarter where I stored my books?
And you expect me to answer that question? By the way, why do I always have to explain myself anytime I want to do anything in this house? My husband's house!
Do you know you are rude? You are mannerless and it's not good for you.
What is going on?
Your father has refused to clear the books from the boys' quarters so I could store those things I told you that I want to buy.
Honey, please. Can we leave this for another day? Just let him be, please.
Collins, tell your wife, in fact, make her understand that I am not her mate. Neither am I her co-wife. Did you hear that?
Sincerely, I don't like this. All these scuffles and stuff, I don't like it. Why can't we live in peace in this house? Every time quarreling. If this continues, I don't mind to build a house for you elsewhere.
No, I will be the one to build a house for you. What do you have?
always quarreling with my wife.
What is it? Leave me alone, I'm not in the mood. I'm not in the mood because I want me to sleep.
You're angry with me, right?
Yeah. How do you know that I'm angry with you? Until you caution your father to stop nagging at me, to give me my respect in this house as your wife. Caution him.
Come on, my love. No one is disrespecting you in this house. But you should respect my father as well. But okay, is that why you want to deny me my conjugal right?
What conjugal right? Eh? Listen, let me tell you. Until your father starts giving me the respect that I deserve in this house, you're not getting in between my thighs. Case closed.
My love, you are doing visually everything you want in this house, even when they're against my father's wish. What else do you want?
Make him to respect me. I deserve to be respected.
Okay, fine. I will tell them to respect you. Alright? Is that okay now?
I'm saying I'm not in the mood. I'm not in the mood. Let them start respecting me first, then you can come back.
I will tell them. They will respect you.
Let them start it, then you can come. For now, I'm not in the mood. Allow me to sleep.
My love, I promise. Respect will rush you. I will let them know. Respect will rush you, my love, okay?
I'll rush you too. I'll rush you too with several blows. Now leave me alone. Please let me sleep. I'm not in the mood.
Who asked you to use it?
I don't understand. I have been using it before you came here.
What? Rubbish!
I am not your maid.
You want to fight me? You want to fight me in my husband's house? Have you gone nuts? You are fired.
You cannot fire me because you did not employ me.
What temerity? What nerves? You are even talking back at me. You know what? Go in there, pack your things and leave this house.
I cannot do that. The only person that can make me do that is Oga.
Go! You are leaving! You are leaving my house!
You now talk back at my wife?
Not just talking, fighting me! She was fighting me!
How brazen, Anna! You now talk back at my wife?
I'm sorry, sir.
Get out of my sight! Can you imagine?
Is that all you could do? Get out of my sight, that is all you could say? Go in there, discipline her, show her that you are the man of this house. Go!
Right?
Yes, right!
Okay, I will go in there now and I will sack her.
Yes, fire her, that is what
Anna!
Go!
Anna!
Can you imagine? Ordinary maid. Oh, she touched me. Go! Fire!
Anna. What is the problem?
Mr. Collins fired me, sir.
Mr. Collins fired you. Why?
His wife had asked me to remove your clothes from the washing machine, and I refused.
Take your bag back to the house.
Sir?
Take your bag inside. Let me see who's going to stop.
Take your bag inside where, Dad. I have sacked her for insulting my wife.
Anna.
Sir?
Go and keep your bag in the house. Let me see who's going to stop you.
Dad, did you hear what I said? She insulted my wife and almost fought her.
Listen to me, young man. Let me tell you, being a man is in the head. I'm not being easily misled by an excited dog. Did you hear that?
Honey, we are late.
No, it's keeping her. I have places to go to.
Son, I need you to take me to the hospital. I think my BP is high.
Dad, can't that wait till tomorrow?
No.
It won't be possible because I'm taking my wife to the salon.
We won't waste time at the hospital.
Oh, Dad. You sound as if you're not living in this house with us. I always take my wife to the salon every Saturday. That's our normal ritual. I won't change today.
I'm aware that she has her own car and she can drive.
Oh, Dad.
Honey. Sweetheart, I'm ready.
Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready. Let's go. How do I look?
Are you lavish?
As always.
Anna!
Yes, sir.
Did you enter my kitchen?
I went to prepare something for Chief to eat.
Answer my question first. Did you enter my kitchen? Yes. Are you stupid? Have you gone nuts? How many times have I told you not to enter my kitchen without my consent?
Come, Elizabeth. How long will you do this before you know that you're overstepping your boundaries? You don't have the right to hit my worker. You don't have the right to hit her.
I will hit her again if I so desire. Now take this food back to my kitchen this minute.
Anna, come here. Anna.
Please, sir. Just allow me to touch her a little. I can handle her.
I said no. Don't give her the pleasure.
Just a little touch, sir.
Anna, hold yourself. Don't.
Everything we do in this world, everything has its reward.
Elizabeth, so you poured away my food. How could you be this wicked? Do you realize you just spat on my face?
Leave my kitchen. Get out of my kitchen! Don't allow me push you. I will push you!
No. Do you know that I built this house and I own everything that is in it?
Are you still here? You don't want to leave. You don't want to leave my kitchen, right? Okay. You are going to sleep here. Foolish old man. You are going to sleep in this kitchen today. You will sleep there today. Idiot.
Ma, did you just lock Oga in the kitchen?
Do you want to lose your job?
No, ma, but he's hypertensive.
I can get out of my sight.
Sir! Sir! Auntie! Ma!
This is not happening.
Sweetheart.
How are you?
You're welcome.
How are you?
You're welcome. How was work today?
Well, we thank God for today. We've done what we can. So, my love, if you know what is good for me right now, get me food. I'm hungry.
You know what, baby boy? I am taking you out.
Out?
Yes.
Baby, I don't want to eat outside. I don't want snacks. I want good food prepared by my lovely wife.
Baby, I'm taking you to the best restaurant in town. Okay, so let's go upstairs to freshen up.
Is it anyone's birthday?
Meaning I can't take my handsome, hardworking husband out. Let's go upstairs so you freshen up.
Okay.
Change to something casual.
Alright.
I want to give you a treat. My baby.
I'm okay.
Easy, baby. Easy, darling.
I'm fine. Because you know that you are the best wife in the whole wide world.
I know. And I will do everything to make you happy.
I will keep loving you, loving you. Oh.
I love you more, baby. What is it? What is your problem? It's okay, baby. Let's go upstairs so I can rock your world.
Rock my body.
Let's go.
Sir, she locked your father in the kitchen all afternoon. He's still there.
Is he complaining?
It's okay, baby.
I'm asking you, is he complaining?
Oh, my love, it's okay. Baby, let's go upstairs.
No, I need her to answer my question.
Go.
My father complaining.
Oh, Lord, baby. This way. Yeah,
What's with her?
upstairs. Yes.
Everything we do in this world, everything has its reward. Oh, Maya Namasana. Oh, enjoy a little waloya. Ewa Makwarana Bia, Makwara Gabia, Makwarana Bia ni Bazu. Everything you do comes back to you. Makwara ona Bia ni Bazu. Ewa Makwarana Bia. Makwarana Bia ni Kwazu. Everything you do comes back to you.
Hey. I can get up and get out of my kitchen door. Yes. Can't you greet? Old man. Now we know who owns this kitchen. I hope you enjoyed your night.
Yes, very well. And may you be served in the same way when the time comes.
Sir, are you alright?
And how can I be alright? I have slight fever.
Let me help you, sir. Sir,
Yes.
would you want me to get you anything?
What I need now is hot water bath.
Very well then. Let me get it ready, sir.
Thank you, Anna. Thank you. Oh, God.
Old man, this is just the tip of the iceberg.
Mom and Dad?
You're ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. How are you? Dad, how are you doing?
Collins, did you not hear that your wife locked me up in the kitchen?
Oh, Dad, not again. It's too early to spoil my day already. With your constant complaints.
Baby, let me see you to the door, okay?
Excuse me. I wanted to know how it's going and it's complaining.
It's okay.
It's complain all the time. My wife did this, my wife did that.
Your hot water bath is ready, sir.
Oh, thank you, Anna. Thank you.
Would you want me to help you to your room, sir?
Oh, no, Anna, don't worry. I'll manage.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
Something's wrong. What's going on?
I want you to ask your wife before why she locked me up in the kitchen.
Dad, and you can agree. And I want you to answer me sincerely. Why do you hate my wife so much? Why is it that every time my wife this, my wife that? You hate her too much and it's too bad.
Your father's hatred will not cut close to my vein. I will keep fighting. I will fight, fight and fight until he gets tired. And finally have his rest in the grave.
I cursed you. I cursed you, this ill-mannered girl. You shall cry and nobody shall be there to console you. You will walk under the rain in a lonely road that has no end.
Honey, can you hear him? Can you hear your father? He just laid a curse on me.
Yes.
And he do something. You know what? Back to sender. I send it back to you 1 million folds. You are the one that will cry blood under the rain.
Now I know what you wish for my wife. But not to worry. I know what to do. And let's go. Thank you very much for laying call.
Hand-pitched man.
Back to sender.
Hand-pitched man.
Back to sender. You see that rain? You're the one that will weep under the rain.
Look at you.
You will cry out blood under the, your white hair will turn to bread. It will turn to blood under the rain. Evil man. Evil man.
Call yourself a wife. You are cursed. I have laid a curse on you and it remains.
Everything you do comes back to you.
Anna, I will be away for a while.
Yes, sir.
Please avoid any trouble with Elizabeth. If she wants you to stay away from the kitchen, please do so.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Safe trip, sir.
Thank you very much.
Safe trip, sir.
Everything you do comes back to you. Everything you do comes back to you. Everything you do comes back to you. Everything you do comes back to you.
What did he tell you?
Nothing.
I will get angry with you if you don't tell me. What did he tell you?
He did not tell me anything about you.
Are you deaf? Is something wrong with you? For the last time, what did Chief tell you about me?
He did not say anything. He only told me that he was going to be away for a while.
Meet me inside. Are you ready to tell me what Chief asked you to do to me?
He did not ask me to do anything to you, Ma. I swear on my life.
Oh, shut up! Liars always swear with their lives.
But I'm telling the truth, Mama.
Where do your parents live?
Ijaruma.
Ijagin? Huh. That hell of a place. You're from a wretched family then?
Yes, ma'am.
Wonder. I would like to see your parents.
Huh?
Are you deaf?
Yes, ma'am. I'll take you to see them. Let me go and change.
Change to what? Did you come here with anything? My friend, go and wait for me outside. Are you still standing? Go and wait for me. You want to change as if you came here with anything. Is it not my husband's money you've been spending? Get out! Hello, Bugsy. I don't like this gun that you gave to me. I don't like it. I've told you that I've started getting rid of everyone that makes me unhappy in my home. So I need a good gun, a better one. Alright, I'll be waiting. Bye.
Ma, are you getting rid of me?
Are you scared? You don't need to be scared, darling. I will only shoot you in the neck. It won't hurt.
Ma, please, ma, don't kill me. If I die, my mother too will die.
Shut up.
Please, ma, let me just go. I promise I will not come back to this house again.
Good. Because if I ever see you in that house again, I will blow your brains off.
Yes, ma. In fact, let me come down here, ma. I will not go there again, ma.
Shut up. If we get to your house, keep smiling. Start smiling. Smile. Do you want me to? Is this your mother?
Yes, ma'am. See, madam. She's Mr. Collins' wife. Oh, my daughter. Hey, yeah. That's your madam. Yeah. Come inside. We'll come and sit.
Sit where? Inside where? Sorry, I'm in a hurry. Anna, remember our agreement. Keep smiling.
How about your master? Is he alright? She has not said anything.
Hey, Mama, did she have any problem with them?
No, she didn't tell me. Just that her master's daughter-in-law brought her back. And since she came back, she has not told me anything. Apart from that crying, she's crying there.
Is her Oga aware of it?
She said the Oga traveled. She has not said anything apart from crying.
What we have to do now is to call the Oga on phone and tell him everything. Let us just call him and tell him what happened.
Hey, how can we kill us then now? How will we manage before he's called on the phone?
On my jam.
Oh. Hey.
Uncle, how could you condone such callousness of that your love? Your son brought that Jezebel of a woman as a wife to torment you in your own house.
We call you the lion, Ago. What happened to the lion in you?
Obi, you see, what I need to follow these children now is wisdom. That's all I need.
Oh.
By the way, is that the reason why you invited me to the village?
Is that not enough to invite you? Or even call our kingsmen? Is it not enough? Eh? Did you expect me to sit down, fold my arms, and let them kill you first?
Nobody's killing anybody, you know. I'm in charge of the situation. Moreover, Collins and Elizabeth are children, young people.
Don't tell me that. Mama, don't tell me that. Don't tell me that. I don't want to hear that Collins and Eliza, that wicked girl, that they are young. If Collins is young, is his brain still too? Why didn't he do something when that wicked Eliza locked you up, the owner of the house, in your own kitchen overnight?
You heard about that, don't you?
Are you surprised? I hear everything. Now listen, I know what to do. I am going to call the meeting of all our Umunna and tell them that Collins wants to kill you for us.
No, it hasn't come to that yet.
It has gone beyond that too. They have crossed the line as far as I'm concerned.
Do you have coconut in the house?
Coconut. Now, you see, now you are trying to sweep everything under the carpet. You are changing the subject. Coconut. Odima, I will get you coconut. I'm on my way out. But let me go inside and see if I can get coconut for you. But I will still come and talk about this.
And palm wine too, if you have palm wine too.
Coconut and palm wine.
Bring palm wine.
Coconut and palm wine. Coconut and palm wine. I will get them for you.
No, you don't have to be sad. Don't worry about it. I'll search for another job.
This girl suddenly became an obstacle to your blessings. She promised to settle you. Until she came with her in-law and scattered everything. Could be punished her. Okay, me.
Is this not Annabelle, my daughter?
Maka.
Good afternoon, Papa.
When did you come back?
Papa, I've been here long.
Papa, she just lost her job.
She lost her job. And so? Lost her job. Okay. Hey, open this door.
That one is locked. This one here is open.
Hey! Look at her. Push the girl down.
Papa will never change.
Hey! Chineke.
I do not wish to talk about Collins and his wife right now.
You don't want to talk about Collins and his wife. Mana, is it true that Eliza, that wicked girl, locked you up in the kitchen for a whole night? Tell me, is it true?
Is it possible for us to talk about the land issue that brought me to the village?
You want to talk about the land issue?
Yes.
You expect me to fold my arms, watch them kill you? And now?
No. The land issue. Have you been able to get a suitable site for the project I told you about?
I got one. It's at Tepa.
Okay.
It is genuine. It belongs to the Mr. Gilbert, the teacher.
Oh, that's very good. Can we go and see it right away?
What is Fugo? Collins?
Leave Collins. Let us go and see the land first, please.
Mama, that man hates me with passion. In fact, he wants me dead. Nothing I do to make him happy pleases him at all. If I cook for him, he will complain. If I allow the cook for him, he will still complain. Mama, the man is heartless.
It's again. Why didn't you tell me all this while? I should have come to that house and make his life unbearable for him.
Azim,
trust me. Don't worry. I know what to do.
I know what you can do.
I will come and turn that house upside down.
I
will teach him a lesson. Of course. He will know that my only daughter is not what he can use to exhibit his wickedness. Mbano.
I know. You are my backbone.
And I know what you can do.
Mbano. I know what you can do.
Calm down. Let's go inside. I trust you. I trust you. Let's go inside.
My friend, I got back.
Here.
I'm right on time.
Obi, good morning.
Morning. The day is good. The day is good.
Where are you going carrying your bag?
I'm going with you to the city. I want to go to that your house and caution those children. Because let me put my bag inside your car.
Obi, I am not going to the city right now. I am going to Abuja first of all for a conference.
Abuja. I knew it. I knew you would not allow me follow you. I knew it. Mama.
No, Obi, you see, what is going to happen next week? I will send my driver to come to bring you to the city.
Next week.
You understand? Yes.
Next week. I don't believe you.
Or do you want me to send him right away after dropping me in Abuja?
Oh, the man. Next week. I will wait. Next week. Mana, Ago, if I don't see your driver next week, be rest assured you will find me in your house. I will find my way to your house.
Obi, have I lied to you before? I have not lied to you before.
Don't worry.
So trust me. Actually, I ought to have given you some money for your upkeep.
I have money. Don't worry. Don't worry. Next week. Next week.
Don't worry. Don't worry, my driver will come.
Bye. We're not here. Who is here? Oh, yeah.
Yes, what is it? What do you mean by what is it? Is that a new form of greeting? Didn't you see me here when we came to marry your daughter?
Did you write your name on your forehead? Or have you come to torment me the same way your brother torments my daughter?
Oh. Now I know where the scorpion got its poisonous pincer. Warn your daughter. Warn her. Tell her to behave. Otherwise, I will tell her that I am Obi Kwelo. Tell her that I, Obi Kwelo, will not allow any man or woman, in fact, nobody born of a woman will dip his or her finger in our hot pot of soup without being lashed mercilessly. I say so. I, Obi Kwelo, say
I can see that wickedness runs in your family. Now listen, let me tell you. My daughter cannot be lashed mercilessly. Instead, she will lash you and the entire family mercilessly.
Okay.
Wham!
You want war?
That's not war.
You will get war. And before I start the war with you, I will let the whole community know that I, Obi Kwelo, has brought war here. Hey, everybody come! I have brought war. I will show you that you have seen war and you cannot survive by war.
Get out of my house.
Odinma, we shall see.
This is the first thing, sir.
I have started the war here. You will see war. You will hear from me.
What's wrong?
We shall see.
What? There is no problem. I know what to do. Nonsense.
Everything we do in this world, everything has its reward.
Who was that? I heard voices.
Is he not that lanky man that calls himself Obi? Your father-in-law's brother.
What does he want here?
He came to tell me to warn you to stop treating his brother badly. He even threatens to lash you mercilessly.
Lash Muabulizi mercilessly. Is he mad? Ha! Mami meze kobroy. He should have called me to come and give him the embarrassment of his life. Or on our warehouse.
Calm down. Now I know that they don't mean well for you. But I will teach them a lesson. Trust me. I can't wait to go back with you to that house. I can't wait to go back with you. Calm down. Look at Obio. Coming coming here to warn us. To warn me. Okamana ama taka madibia. Madibia mano mabu okono. But in Takacho no orange. Forget them. Forget them.
Hey.
Mama Elisa, how are you?
I'm fine.
I'm going to your house.
I hope there is no problem.
There's something I want us to discuss about.
Can't you see I'm going out? So that thing cannot wait till I come back.
It is something very, very important. Yes.
More important than where I'm going to. If it is very important, come back later in the day.
I should come back in the day. Mama Elisa, are you working out on me? Mama Elisa? So, Obi came to my house, complaining bitterly about it. Mama Elisa, I want you to call Elisa to order.
Yes, again.
I said I want you to call Elisa to order.
Why will I call my daughter to order?
Huh?
In a reason.
Why?
In a reason.
Yes.
Gwagenti. Go and tell Obi to get more bitter.
Obi to get more bitter?
I will not call my daughter to order. Tell him that he's the one that needs to call his brother to order.
Mama Elisa, is this what you can say?
Mazin Dunwe, that is all I have to say.
All you have to say?
All I have to say, Kanane. You know what to do.
Hey!
You know what to do.
Okay. Let me take my leave.
Only very important. Skodi.
Hey!
Everything we do in this world, everything has its reward. Oh, Maya Namasana. Oh, Maya little Waloya. Never
Anna! Anna!
I sacked her.
You did what?
In a formal English language book. I fired.
Yeah, better not.
Good evening, sir.
How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Where is Anna?
She's fine.
Where is she?
She's at home here. He said she's afraid. And she doesn't want to die.
Who is killing who?
Chief, your daughter-in-law.
Nobody is killing anybody. Now tell me, where is Anna?
Chief, she's here. Chief, I don't want to lose my daughter. It's better we live in this poverty. It's okay, Biko.
You are not poor. Where is Anna? Anna, come here. Anna, why don't you call me on the phone and tell me what's happened?
I don't want any trouble, sir. I don't want to die.
Anna, you are not going to die. Eh? Now get into the car.
No, sir. I already promised I will not come back, sir. I don't want to die, sir.
No, I'm not. Just get into the car.
Chief.
Stay out of this. How this?
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Good. How about getting to the car?
Let me get my bag, sir.
Okay, your bags. Your bags.
I don't understand. Is this the reason you called me back? Yeah?
Is that not enough? Is that not enough reason to call you? That you and your wife, you will maltreat my own brother in his house. And you say that is not enough reason to invite you. Collins, you.
To be honest, if I had known this is the reason you invited me here, I won't grant this invitation. Let me remind you, I'm a man. Alright? Stay off my business. Do not call my phone again to tell me this rubbish. Let this be the last time you do it.
Collins.
Excuse me.
Collins. Collins.
Don't mind your business.
Okay. Don't worry. Very soon we shall know who is who. Look at man. Man. Hey, I don't blame you. Man.
Where is he? Where is he? I beg, come. I will take it to his room. Come out! Where is he? Mama, I will take it to his room. Let's go. Eji mama ebo no jo. Eji mama ebo no jo. Come out! I beg, come. Mama, welcome. Where is he? Eh? Where is that wicked man? Call him to come out. One more man. I beg, come. Let me take it. Come back! Come out! Where is he? Nonsense! I am here for you. I am here for you.
Eh? Mama, where is that evil man? He's here.
Oh no, Joe. No, Joe.
Man, I'm here to ask you why you laid the cause of my daughter. Why won't you allow her to enjoy her marriage?
This woman, I can see that disrespect runs in your family. Madness also runs in your family. Now will you get out of my room? Get out!
Eh? You said our family. It's your family that madness runs in. If I don't get out, what will you do? You think your evil charms or whatever you believe in can get me? Ah! Error.
Okay.
That's all. Is it error? Nonsense. What is he doing? Is he calling his son? Let him call whoever he wants to. We want a guy.
Yeah, DPO. Please send me some of your armed men to my house. Yes. There's a mad woman here I want you to arrest. Yes. Very good.
Mama, let's go. It's not like we're afraid of the police, but let us go. Calm down.
This is enough.
What is enough? Listen, let me tell you. This is just the beginning. I'm not afraid of the police. If you like, call him back. Tell him to call battalions. How come get bam? Okay? We are not afraid of the police, but let us go.
Useless man.
We are not afraid of the police, woman. I just want to go give my mother food.
Give her food. Let her get to the police is coming. Don't they arrest you?
Shame on you! Shame on you!
Nonsense.
Oh,
vipers. What a family. Look at mother and daughter, brood of vipers. Nonsense.
useless man. I wonder. Wicked man. Occultic man. Allow my daughter to have peace. He said no. You will die. Your mates are in the village. Your mates are in the village. Oh, useless man. Nonsense. a bastard. Sorry. I told you he's an occultic man.
What's your name? You
can't see Jenny. Sorry. No.
Sorry. Easy. Just take it easy.
No, it's your
Sorry. Sit. Try.
No. Mama. My enemies have succeeded.
No, you will not succeed. Mama, should I bring or rub or balm or hot water to massage it? Which one? Hannah!
Collins, good that you're here. That is your quit notice. You expected to leave this house in less than 3 hours.
Asota, it's a woman. What else are you talking about? Is this some sort of intimidation? Mama, shut up! You're making noise! Don't make noise!